Hey everybody, Neil Malik with Knack Training here, bringing you another everyday office video. And in today's video, I'd like to demonstrate actually how easy it is to do something called data consolidation. So as you can see over here on the left, we have 4 employees, each of whom are billing hours to different clients, Acme Incorporated, Reynolds Aerospace, etc. And it seems perfectly reasonable that I would want to know the total number of hours and the total amount charged to each of our different clients. And it's kind of exhausting to think, okay, well, is Reynolds Aerospace in everybody's list? And can I find it? And can I add up the number of hours, etc.? So instead, what we're going to do is on the Data tab at the top of the screen, we're going to use this button called Consolidate. And what that allows us to do is to tell it that there are different ranges, and in those ranges that there are going to be entries on the left-hand side that will tell you exactly what we're talking about. So I'll go to Consolidate here. And it says, okay, first of all, how are we doing our consolidation? Are we adding everything up? Are we counting everything? Are we finding the biggest value, whatever it is? In this case, we're going to go very simple here. We're just going to add up the total number of hours and the total amount charged for each of our different clients. And what we do now is we come in here and we give it different references. We populate these references in here. And we tell it that there are labels, whether those labels are in the top or at the left-hand side, to tell it what values are going to come in here. So I'll go ahead and say what I'm interested in is Acme Incorporated, Reynolds Aerospace right there, that there are labels in the left-hand column to tell us what client we're talking about, and click Add. And then I come in here and I highlight the next 3 entries. Again, labels are in the left-hand column, and I click Add. And then I highlight the next 2 entries. Items in the left-hand column, click Add. And the last 3 entries. Labels in the left-hand column, click Add. Now these could have been all over the place, right? I happened to just put them on the same sheet so it was easy to read. But as you can see right here, I'm just coming in and grabbing any sets of cells and telling it what it is that's going to distinguish one entry from another. In this case, the leftmost column is going to tell us what we're talking about. Then go ahead and click OK. And as you can see here, Acme Incorporated, 22 hours, $1,100. Reynolds Aerospace, 33 hours for $1,900. So that is one person 18 hours, another person 5 hours, and yet another person 10 hours. DN Associates, 53 hours. You can see those entries there and there and there. And so that's what data consolidation does for you very quickly and easily.